Jackie Lewis here, your North Shore Chicago Realtor, with a little bit of green news you can use. If you're looking to save a little bit of money on your utility bills, consider unplugging. Appliances use energy even when they're turned off. U.S. households spend $100 a year to power devices while they're in the standby mode. Start with appliances that you don't use every day, or only plug them in when you need them. When you're done with the coffee pot, unplug the coffee pot. I keep the toaster and the blender unplugged all the time. At the end of the day, don't only shut down your laptop, but unplug it too. See how many appliances you can manage to leave unplugged for a month. Even when your electric bill comes, you will see how you've cut back. Check it out and see how it works for you. These energy tips don't only save money, but they're small efforts to reduce your consumption and your carbon footprint. Products that have earned the Energy Star use less energy to perform these functions, while providing the same performance and features as conventional models. For more information, go to EnergyStar.gov and have a great green day.